Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing an unboxing. Oh, sorry, I was reading my notifications. I thought someone commented on one of my videos and then I realized that I'm not popular yet, so no one really cares. Oh! Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Help! Someone help me! So this one, if you couldn't tell by the name, is What's Up. Very clever, very clever. And it's supposed to be a light bulb. How freaking adorable is that? Isn't this just so cute? Then I'm gonna screw it up. I'm gonna screw it up. I'm gonna smash it. I'm gonna twist it up. Before I get started, I wanted to give a shout out to Jake Daniels. All his music is so dope. He is a singer-songwriter, so go check out his stuff down below. I already opened some of this stuff, so I'm not showing you the box because I'm pretending that I didn't. I got this mirror. Isn't this the cutest? I am obsessed. So this is my new favorite handheld mirror for all my videos and all of that stuff. This retails for about, I think it was like $25. I will link all the stuff that I got below. So there's this mirror.
Okay guys, so let's go ahead and jump in.
I got this Hello Happy foundation. I love this foundation. This foundation literally like blurs over your skin. It's non-comedogenic, so it will not clog your pores or break you out. It has SPF in it, and it's very lightweight and buildable, but I use it as a top foundation to the foundation that I'm already wearing. So if I'm looking for like a completely photo shoot ready makeup look, I'll actually put foundation on, my concealer on, and then I'll use this as a top coat. Because it looks like you have an Instagram filter all over your face, which is what everyone wants, right? So it's this. I use shade 5. Next up, I have one of my favorite pencils, which is this one. This one is the Gooff Proof Brow Pencil. I love this pencil so much. I have this one, and then I also have the Precisely My Brow one. So this one is the Precisely My Brow one. This is what I currently use to get my eyebrows to look the way they do. So if you like how they look, then I would use this one. I can also do an eyebrow tutorial if you guys want.
But you just fill them in. And then it comes with a spoolie on the back, so you can just brush through them.
Okay, next up we have the 24-hour brow setter. This stuff is so bomb. This is a clear gel that goes on the top of your eyebrows after you've already put like a pomade on them or a pencil on them. If you guys follow Kylie Jenner, you notice how her eyebrows have that like blurred, soft airbrush look. This is actually one of her secrets, is this stuff. And her makeup artist revealed it in one of his videos he did. So I snagged that, but I'm just gonna show you. I'll put some on to just show you a little bit.
So it has this, it's a cute little bottle like this. And the wand. So you just go like this. And you can put them up to make a fluffy brow, or you can push them over to do like a tamed brow.
Next up, we have the famous POREfessional by Benefit. This stuff is literally so awesome. This can make your pores look smaller. This is a good thing to use if you want like a no makeup look. I will use this and not wear any foundation, and it just minimizes my pores. If I'm trying to make it look like I'm wearing no makeup, this is definitely a go-to. You can use it as a primer, or you can just wear it by itself. So next up, I'm super excited about this one, and I'll show you guys that on camera. This is the Benefit. So this one is super nice because this opens your eye. It's the Eye Bright pencil. So you're gonna put it on your waterline, and you're going to just look really awesome, basically.
I don't have enough hands, so I can't hold my eyelid down. I always make the weirdest faces when I put anything on my
eyes. I always like make these weird faces. I'm like, does anyone else do that, or is it just me?
I feel so silly. So, do you guys see the difference?
Do you see the difference? Thank you. Next. Next we have the Benefit tint. Now this stuff is like a liquid blush, liquid eyeshadow, whatever you want to use it as. It comes in this container. I personally have not used this too much, so I will let you know how I like this. Next! This Hello Flawless powder, finishing powder. Unfortunately, this one is discontinued now. They are coming out with another one, I believe so. But I absolutely love this powder. If you're able to get it anywhere from like a secondary source, this stuff is so awesome. It's literally amazing. So you can just use this as a staying powder, and it comes with a little sponge for application and a little brush. Okay, so this brush is for your cheekbones. Wait, just kidding. This brush is for the powder. This is not a cheekbone chiseler, but you can use it for that. This concealer is the Industrial Strength Concealer number 2. I love this concealer. It is amazing. It really fills in your pores if you're trying to make your pores look like they don't exist, because who really wants pores? I don't. No, but it's really, really good. It has like a perfect yellow undertone. Right here, right now. Ooh. So this is what it looks like. Ooh. Did I swatch this already? No, guys, it's not dirty. It looks dirty, but it's just the moisture. So next up we have something that I didn't even know that they carried, a brush. This is the Hoola bronzer and contour brush. This brush is literally so cute. It looks like a bamboo stick. Look at this packaging, first of all. A blue brush head. I already used it, so it's a little bit brown. Usually it's like very, very aqua blue. But this is the brush. It's nice and fluffy. And look at this handle. It's literally so cute.
So I use this and I'll just put my Hoola bronzer in it and I'll just go like this in a 3 and then I'll bring it down if I'm trying to look bronzy and beautiful, which who is not trying to look bronzy and beautiful?
The last thing that I have for you guys is actually the It's Potent eye cream by Benefit. This eye cream is a lightening, tightening, and brightening. So if you're looking for any of those qualities in an eye cream, this definitely will do it. This is a really good eye cream. So if I didn't already say it and show you with my hands, this is a really good eye cream. And let me know in the comment section if you have ever used any of these Benefit products before. Well guys, thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you. Share this video, give it a like and a follow and a subscribe, and let me know what you would like to see in my next video.